In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find, copy, and even share a Facebook link of any page on Facebook. I have here this page and I'd like to go ahead and find its link and then share it. So first go ahead and tap on the page that you want to identify and share. Once it's open, head over to these three dots and tap on them. Now under this, you'll be able to see the Facebook link of that page here. To get it or copy it, just use this copy link option. If I go ahead and tap on it, now the link sharing has been updated, and now I just tap on continue and you can see link page copied. From here, I can now go ahead and paste it anywhere. I can just go ahead and paste it whenever I want to share. So that's how you can find and share a Facebook link of any page. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.